Hi everyone, so today I have Tonic's kit number 37, their craft kit number 37, the Rosemaling Circle kit. And Tonic did send this box free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're to purchase any items through those links. So, this month's kit is really fun because a lot of times they have like structural or boxes, things like that, of that nature. And this one is more of a layering set, and we'll get to it in just a second. Again, this is their monthly kit, so it's something that you can either go ahead and just pick up a one-off, just pick up the one kit and, you know, not subscribe to the monthly kit. You can subscribe, which saves you some dollars because obviously it's a monthly thing and it just you have a discount there from picking up one box. And they have a quarterly, which is another savings. You save there in the monthly kit price, I believe. You can check that out, and on the shipping. I know for sure on the shipping. So I have the links in the description box. You can see all about that and see how they work the monthly subscription there. But for now, I'm going to open this up. We're going to unbox it and we'll try it out. So we have, again, kit number 37. And this is what it looks like as soon as I open it up. So we have Tonic Craft Kit 37, of course, with the cute little folder that goes into a small binder that I have here. I will bring it out in a minute to show you because I do have it here. And as you can see, again, Rosemaling Circle. And so what we have here are a stamp set. Let me see if I can... Wishing you all kinds of wonderful, which is very sweet. And then here we have some other kind of little accent pieces. Then this reminds me of just a nice sentiment. Their new Stamp of the Month kit. You can check that out. They have an accessory stamp set that goes along with it that has all kinds of funny things like about the envelope or, you know, handmade by those kind of things. Really cute, quirky sentiments. So you might want to check that out. But I'll put that to the side for now. And then we have the dies here. So we have this larger circle, and I can give it a quick measure. And then you can kind of have an idea of what the smaller ones are like. This is about almost 5.5, maybe 5 3/8 inch circle, and it cuts the outer, and it does put the little dot pattern into your paper. And then this one puts the dot on the outer edge, and then it cuts on the inside there. So you can mix and match these all different ways. And then we have some inserts. It says it's your day. Really cute. It's really pretty mandala. Again, this one's just a circle die that will cut out your circle. This one does a scallop cut. It's very cute. And then you have all these different inserts with all this prettiness here, like your kind of floral motif, I suppose. It looks a little more Nordic with this here. And then we have some words here. I might say thinking of you. It says of you, so I'm not sure exactly, but we'll see that in a minute. We have the little laurels, kind of a little floral spray, and then again a couple of inserts. This one's more kind of a lacy pattern, and then you have another kind of floral, a little more geometric kind of pattern. Very cool. So we're definitely going to use these and some fun way. And then we have our embellishments. Let's go, well, yeah, we'll do embellishments, then we'll do the papers. Oh, nice. So we have a full-size embellishment mousse in cornflower blue. Really pretty stuff. This stuff is so fun, so versatile. You can do all sorts of things with it. And I've had other videos doing all sorts of things with them, so you can check those out. And of course, Tonic and other creators here have lots of videos with that. We have our glitter marker in Athenian blue. Very, very pretty color. And then we have a few different drops here. Let me cut these open. I always like to open them up. Obviously, you can see them through the bag, but let's get these babies open. We have vintage drops with dew dried to kind of a matte finish. And this one is purple basil. And then we have this glitter drops. Really, really pretty. Goes really well with the pen and embellishment mousse. Blue Lagoon. And this one's a little creamier looking. We have crystal drops here. And this is Sweet Lilac. And then we have our Precious Pearl Mixed Card Pack. So let me open this up. Give me a second to get that off there. It says it has 24 sheets, 6-inch square porous paper, double-sided pearlescent card, low shed glitter card, luxury embossed specialty card, and acid free. So here's our pearlescent card. Does it have the weight on here? It has some nice weight. It feels a little, maybe, I don't know, I want to say maybe like 250-ish. Yeah, 250 and 230 GSM. So it was right on the dot on that one. We have these cards. So a nice stack of pearlescent. Very nice glitter card. We always like that we don't shed here. And then, oh, this is beautiful. Like a textured pattern here with that same pearlescent. And then this one here. Oh, I love this stack because you have all this variety. And if you can see, it's kind of like just a really pretty pattern on there. Gorgeous. And then the papers. And these are like our cardstocks. That was a cool envelope. It's nice and firm on the back. Okay. So I can feel that this is, there we go. Let's say it looks like it was turned around. So you have like a beautiful paper here. I will have the colors for you because I have the color names here, but I'm not sure exactly which is which. I can probably figure out. So this is our mauve purple, the classic card mauve purple. We have a mirror card, which I saw on the back, Silky Sky, which I am going to assume is this one. Gorgeous stuff. Specialty card in Lilac Waves, which would be this one here, and it reminds me of like wallpaper. It even has that feel of like wallpaper. Oh, Powder Blue Lace. I'm gonna assume it's this one. Look at that. So pretty. Glitter card in Tropical Tide. Gorgeous color palette here I'm already putting out here. Specialty paper called Caribbean Tide. Look at this. And it's like, feels like mulberry paper, but it's like a handmade paper feel. And then we have this last piece here, I'm going to assume pearlescent card in Gleaming Lilac. What a gorgeous colorway. So pretty. Okay, so that's what comes in the kit. So what I'm going to do is put some thought to it, and we're going to put together some kind of cute project. I'll be right back. Okay, so for today's card, I'm going to keep it simple. I think what I'm going to do is just use the smaller inner circles and the cut in here. So I think I'm going to layer it up with some of the Precious Pearl paper. I'll pick one of these for the top design. I think it's just going to be our basic pearl metallic paper here, the white one. I'm going to take a piece of that out. And then I'm going to layer that on top of sparkly glitter paper. And then I'm going to layer that on top of the regular kind of matte paper, the lavender paper there. And then that on top of this. And then I think, again, standard A2 size card, I'm going to try and go ahead and get that cut out of this paper. So I will cut that down. I'm going to cut all these down just a little bit smaller so I can just easily run through the machine with a smaller die, and I'll be right back. Okay. So on this piece, what I did was I cut it at 4 1/4 by 11. It's a standard A4 size piece of paper, so our card is going to open this way, the long way. Okay. And that way I had enough left over of the paper to get a nice circle out of this. If I cut it a little bit differently, you might not be able to get your circle cut from the excess. So just did that. And then I just have some pieces here. Again, we're going to trim those down. So if I go layer by layer, how I'm imagining, I will start with this. And we actually need both packs. Then I'm going to do the inlay for this one. So I need the It's Your Day and this die right here. So the It's Your Day plus this die. And you can do them separately or both together. Of course, I'm going to run them both together. And I'm going to try to save as much paper. Maybe I can use it for something else. So I'm just going to go to the corner here. And just going to tape that down. And I'll run that through my die cutting machine, whatever you got there. I'll put that there. And then behind that, I'm going to layer this, but I'm going to need this outer die to do that. So I'll wait on this one just until this one's freed up. And then behind that, I'm going to use this guy. And if you just you can see through them and layer them up, and you can see the next one would be this size. So on the lavender paper, I'll cut this one out. And then on our metallic blue paper here, I'm going to cut out this one. And this will be the last one for now. If I get to it and think I add another layer, maybe we'll do that, but that's it. So I'm gonna get these cut out and then I'll be right back. I have all of these trimmed out and then I'm gonna need this outer circle one more time, but let me get this out very carefully. It's nice and delicate. This would be really great for shaker cards. Again, all these circles and nesting and all that, you know, how you can cut your acetate and make a nice shaker. Look how pretty. Okay, but for this one, I am going to back that. Actually, it looks really pretty just like this too. But I was going to back it up with the glittery paper. So I just need this die. Trim that out of this paper here, and I will be right back. Okay. I like how every layer has a little something different. Obviously this one's plain in the center, but it's to mat up with that. Look how pretty. And this one has like the little stitching, and this one has a little scallop. Very cute. And of course you can layer these up however you like with dimension or just all flat or however you want to do it. But let me bring my card base over, and you know me, I'm just going to fold it in half here. But you could score it at 5.5 and that would be your standard A2 here. I still haven't decided if I'm going to mat on top of that too, so let me see. Yeah, you know, let me look through here and maybe I'll mat. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love these patterns. Oh, that one's kind of regal. Okay, let's go with this one. And I'm going to trim this down really quickly to 4 by 5 1/4, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down. Whatever kind of you know, adhesive you like. I'm going to use my super quick drying Nouveau deluxe adhesive. I'm just going to pop that down. And then I'll do another video coming up basically to show you how to do the inlays with these guys. But again, very easy. Same kind of thing like when we popped in the center of the other little image. All you do is you take these and you would pop them in there. Now you don't have to cut out this center, where you can just make it so that you have this really pretty area, and then run it through, and then obviously turn it over, put it to the edge of your die here, you know, pop it in there, pop it through. You don't have to use these center ones, so this whole thing would be still there, right? Or if you want to cut out the center, then you would use this next size die and run those all together also. But again, tape them down how I do so they don't move, or do them, you know, step by step, however you like to do that. But that will come up in an upcoming video. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. I like just how clean it looks. I was thinking about cutting out some of the little laurels and things you can add here and there, but I do like this just super clean. So I'm going to keep it that way for this one. Move these to the side here. You can make an easel from this if you wanted to have bone folded right here, and then you can pop it up so this pops up. But however you like to do that. And make it more of a traditional card. Again, very easy to work with. Just nice layers. And if you think about it, you can use it to make like cards that go through different layers. Like that telescoping kind of thing where it goes larger, smaller, smaller with layers of paper going through the circles. Lots you can do with the circle set. Okay, and before I put this one down, what I'm going to do is adhere this to this, and then I'm going to use some dimensional adhesives. So again, this has a nice outer edge, and it has some really nice thickness in there, so I'm just going to glue it down like this. But if you want to put the glue on the back of your hand, that little trick, you can do that. However it is that you want to get this on here. I'm just dabbing it here and there. Let me get some more on this S here. Okay. Really pretty color palette. So I'm going to hold this down for a second and I'll be right back. I think that's pretty good. And I'm just going to take some of these dimensional foam pads here. I probably just need 2. And you know, I'm going to put it on here. Just so I don't have to mess with that too much. Look at that from over top. Let me make sure my card is straight. So pretty. Nice and simple. And let me grab, yeah, so I wanted to get some of the dots, and you know, they both look so pretty. I don't know which ones to use, blue or the purple. Let's try them out on a scrap paper. I'll use them on a white paper and maybe that'll help me. Obviously you're not going to drop it the way I did there, but that's really pretty. They're both going to be very pretty, of course. Let's see. Oh, that's so tough. I guess we could do a mix of both, but that's a little different. Let's go with the blue. And again, I would just put a little dot, and then one kind of down near it, and one on the other corner. And then I would do the same down here. It's about the same spacing. And these usually will settle in on their own, but I know some people like to tap the back of the card. However you want to do that to make them a little more circular, and there you go. All right, I will have the links in the description box. Again, you can read about their monthly subscription program. And thank you so much, Tonic, for sending these items for my review. Keep an eye out for more tutorials on this box. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.